What up, what up, what up? All right, so today we're doing a engine coolant temperature sensor on a 2000 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. It looks like this. So what happened is, first of all, the car overheated. I just put a new water pump, timing belt, and I let the car sit for like a week or two. So I forgot to add coolant to it. So I went to the store on the way back. It redlined and it overheated. And then shortly thereafter, I got a check engine light code for engine coolant temperature sensor. So if you ever let your car overheat, normally you will fry that sensor. So this is what it looks like. So this is the sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor. And then there's the engine coolant temperature switch, which does not have this long piece on it. It's just this, and then there's like a big, like a cylinder that comes down. It doesn't have this long part on it. All right, so let's go out to the car. I'm gonna show you where they're located and show you the easy way to get out. Oh yeah, by the way, check out the new art. It's Krabby Smalls. That's the original B. All right, boom. Let's go out to the car. All right, so we at the car. So there is the coolant temperature sensor. See, this first one, is black one right here. That's your sending unit. That's your coolant sending unit. So that tells the gauge on the dash how cold the engine is. That's your sensor right here, which is this one. Just locate it a little bit further back. And there's your switch right here on your thermostat. Right there. So sometimes you see the bracket on here is bent and broke right here. You just gotta take this right here off that bracket, and then it'll move back, and then unplug both of these. This one's gonna get really easy to get to because this bracket's already bent and taken apart. So I'm just gonna unplug it, use a 19 deep, and just take it off with a wrench. You don't have to remove the distributor or anything like that. Real easy to get to if you move that bracket. All right, so 2000 Honda Accord, 99 Honda Accord, engine coolant temperature sensor replacement, not to be confused with the sending unit or the switch.